purge valve to get it out. This part right here slides onto here. Slides onto this part. So it slides on, so you just pull it that way. You know, I kind of bent it up, then pulled it out. It's supposed to, you know, so anyhow. And then back here, just kind of pull this thing off. With a screwdriver or something. Anyhow, pop that out. Of course, you could, again, just do these two. They're 10 millimeters actually. And this whole thing comes off. But either way, do it either way. Just making sure nothing else is hooked back here. Okay. So you got some more bolts back here. I believe that's a, yep, it's a 12. So on this side, and I believe there's another one on this side. Yeah, the same thing. So there's at least two. Let's see if there's another one. I believe there's just two. 1, 2. As far as on the back here, that's bolting it on to the valve covers. So you want to take those off.